In the next episode, Layla will create a charity music to erase enough memory for temporary housing for the orphan children. She will refuse financial support from her family because she wants the event to belong to the young people, not the Akaya name. Araz will be certain about turning their pain into a public performance, but Layla will confess him that the children need a homeful memory after losing their home. Dennis will volunteer to organize the stage, while Tuma will dismiss the plan as childish. Secretly, however, he will arrange a co-payment through a friend because he does not want Dennis to fail. The event will bring the main character together in a lighter atmosphere, but tension will remain. With every conversation, Aras and Layla will rehearse a simple speech. Aras will struggle to talk about family without thinking of Damil. Layla will tell him he does not have to solve every mystery before allowing himself one happy night. Sibnam will view the event as a direct attacker on her reputation and pressure the venue owner to cancel. When the owner refuses because the entire town support the children, she will hire someone. The stage light will suddenly collapse toward the audience. Raz will notice a lost cable and push several children away while Tiamat clips onto the structure to prevent a second section from falling. The crowd will escape journey, but evidence will make it look as if Tiamat trapped with the eco payment. Dennis will defend him, saying she saw him helping. The police will find his fingerprint on the control box because this secretly installed part of the system earlier. Tiamat will believe Sibna fame him, but she will deny any involvement and appear genuinely shocked by how dangerous the sabotage become. Aras will become the broken cable, recognize the same unusual knot used by men who once chased Sarhad. He will connect the attack to the hidden family secret rather than simple revenge against the event. Layla will refuse to cancel the night. She will move everyone to the beach where the children will sing without microphone or light. The simple performance will become more powerful than the planned big show, and a donation will continue arriving. Meanwhile, Dennis will search the damaged controller and find a memory card trapped inside. It contains a short audio message addressed specifically to Tioman. The voice said that if he wants to clear his name, he must come alone to the old lighthouse before sunrise. Tioman will hide the message and leave without telling anyone. Aras will notice him disappearing and following him.